Okay guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about a coin that's just come across my radar. And first off, I'm going to show you the Discovery Channel. And you're probably wondering, what's the Discovery Channel got to do with cryptocurrencies? Well, before we get into this, I want to talk to you about the Discovery Channel. The Discovery Channel is a television channel, I'm sure you know. It's a mass media company based in New York, and it was established in 1985. So, in my view, if there's a cryptocurrency that's something to do with the Discovery Channel, then it's worth a look at. Now, if you're like me and you're in the crypto space and you really love crypto, you're probably wondering what coins is best for you to maybe do a little investment in and buy a few of them. Okay, so the coin I'm about to talk to you about is linked with the Discovery Channel. Now, blasted across on every news outlet there is, from mainstream media to cryptocurrency news, is we're talking about the Discovery Channel is to premiere a cryptocurrency funded TV series about Dragonchain. Okay, so the coin we're going to look at today is Dragonchain. And as you can see, Coindesk are talking about it, the same article. Whether they copy and paste this stuff, I don't know, but it looks pretty similar to what's on the Yahoo news there. It's on the NASDAQ website as well. Discovery Science to premiere a crypto-funded TV series about Dragonchain. Now, if you read any of those articles, it's the program's going to be called Open Source Money. They've got a trailer that's on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to watch that trailer, I'll leave all the links to everything in the description. You can read all the stuff that I'm showing you now. I'll leave all the links below so that you can read up about this TV documentary that's going to be on Discovery Science, and it's going to be broadcasted 4th of July. Okay, so American Independence Day. Pretty ironic, I think, American Independence Day and the launch of this TV series. I think it's definitely worth a look at. Now, the company behind it that's doing this TV program or documentary, if you like, this Discovery Channel, is Vision Tree. So I've popped over to their website, and at the top they've got they've featured what their TV show is going to be about, and it's telling you where, and you can read there, learn more. But if I come to the top of this website, when I was reading this, I quite liked this statement here. Our core mission is to awaken the masses, inspire solution-based corporations, and transform humanity, unfolding stories through social action and entertainment. So I quite like all this stuff that I'm reading at the moment. That this website here, who's behind the project, okay, and it's been funded by cryptocurrency, so there's no dollar involved here. The TV documentary is funded by cryptocurrencies, and the documentary is going to be about a particular coin, Dragonchain. So here's their website. Not much to read on their website, but if you want to, you can go and read it. So let's have a look what happened to Dragoncoin on a few crypto websites. So the first one I want to look at is CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, it's had a price rise. And if I go down to the chart at the bottom here, you can see it's been asleep for some time, and now it's starting to wake up again. And it sort of broke out when this news sort of started to break about this cryptocurrency TV series that's going to come, this documentary. And so if I close CoinMarketCap and we go over to CoinGecko, another site that I look at, CoinGecko, again, putting the price on a rise, slightly different price to what it was on CoinMarketCap. But again, if we look at the chart, if you look when the ICO come out, so this is when the Dragoncoin launched, it went up as high as like $5.50, and then it's been pretty much asleep since then. Okay, and that's in January 18 is when this coin was actually brought onto the marketplace. Okay, it's what's called an ICO, an initial coin offering, and it's been pretty much asleep. But if we zoom into the last 90 days, you can see that it's starting to wake up. Okay, now obviously the best place to have bought any of this coin would be when it's in this flat bit here. But in my view, this is still a good time to buy some, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to buy some in a moment. I'm not going to spend loads of money on it, but I think $20 is okay. So I'll just keep a few of these coins, or maybe $100. I might buy a few more as the weeks go on. But I'm certainly going to enter the market for this particular coin, because the chart sort of says that it's waking up. And there's Crypto Compare. Again, they're giving it on the rise as well. Again, slightly different price than what it is on the other two websites, just to show you that all these compare sites, you know, and Coin Market Cap, they all get their data from different places, so they slightly have different prices. But it's showing that it's on the rise. Okay, so what I want to do now is take you over to Jonny Blockchain, and we can see that it's in 9 markets. It's on one blockchain. Okay, so let's just have a look a bit more deeper into the Dragonchain. So if you click on Dragonchain here, click on there, and then this will give you the overview. Now, at the top there, you've got the website. You can go and visit Dragonchain. You've got the white paper. You've got, you know, the social media sites and some other stuff, and they're on GitHub, and it's a token. Okay, so it's if you watched a previous video I did about tokens and coins, a token means it sits on somebody else's blockchain. Okay, and in this case it sits on the Ethereum blockchain, so it's an ERC20 coin. It's not on any other blockchain at the moment, as I'm aware at the time of making this video. So it gives you, if you come down there, it gives you price action, what's happened with the price, the trading volume, and all that sort of stuff, and the ranking. Okay, it's ranked at 133. You know, out of all the coins, there's over 6,000. It's in the top 200, isn't it? So it's certainly worth looking at, in my view. Certainly worth looking at. And if you look here, the all-time high is $5. Okay, $5.60. So it's down a lot from when it launched in 2018. But I do believe you're starting to see a rise up. Okay, you're starting to see a rise up, as the charts have shown us. So let's have a dig a bit more into the markets. You can trade this on a number of exchanges. Okay, there's the exchanges, and there's the markets that you can trade in. And if I come over to the blockchain tab, as you can see, each one of these exchanges operate in the ERC20. So all of these exchanges, the wallets are all enabled. So that means you can deposit and withdraw from them for Dragonchain. So, and that was at the time of making this video. So you're okay. Now, what I tend to do is when I buy a cryptocurrency that I'm going to hold, I don't leave it on the exchange. But let's first off buy the cryptocurrency. So once you're signed in to Jonny Blockchain, you'll see this menu at the top. And because I want to buy this Dragonchain, I'm going to come up to trade and click on buy and sell, because obviously I want to buy this coin. You'll get this pop-up appear on the page, and you need to choose the exchange you want to buy the coin on. So you're going to need to either deposit some dollars, euros, pounds, or Bitcoin or Ethereum into an exchange that you want to buy the coin on. So if you're not sure what exchange, then come back over to the coin stats, and you'll see that it's Bitfinex, Bittrex, HitBTC, KuCoin, and Livecoin. I've got some Bitcoin sitting in HitBTC, so I'm going to buy the Dragonchain coin on HitBTC. So from this drop down menu, I'm going to go down to HitBTC, which is there, and I'm going to click go. And as you can see, I've got about $16 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm going to click sell, and I'm going to put the coin that I want to buy, which is the Dragonchain. So there it is there. I put in the symbol, which is DRGN. Choose that. And this is what I'm going to get for 146 for the balance that I've got there. So I'm going to click on these scales, use my balance, click buy. So I'm not logging into HitBTC at all. This is all done from inside Jonny Blockchain. And all I need to do now is go over to my routes. And as you can see, the robot is actually doing that for me now. So let's just have a look how that's doing. So it's on the exchange HitBTC. It's going to use my little bit of Bitcoin that I had there, about $18, I think it was, $16, $18. And it's going to buy this coin. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go out and spend any money or invest any money in any coins that I buy. I'm just sharing with you what I believe is happening in the marketplace, and coins that I like to keep an eye on. And I shall make regular videos like this. Now, I provide this content completely free, so if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you'll find a link in the description where it says buy Jeremy Rush a cup of coffee. I'd really appreciate that, because that supports my channel. And if you like this type of content, make sure that you click the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. So let's pop back over to Jonny Blockchain and see how the robot's getting on with buying me the Dragonchain coin. So the time is just about to run out. So if I click there, it says the trade's complete. So all I need to do is to refresh the screen. And that's done lovely. So now what I'm going to do is head over to HitBTC. So as you can see there on HitBTC, there's my Dragonchain coin that I've just bought. And what I'll do in another video is I'll show you how you can set this up on an exchange to actually get ready to make some money from it. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.